Hey guys, welcome back to another Residual Hustler video. In this video, I'm going to be going over with you 6 items that I found today on my haul. And I've got all my notes here so I don't miss anything because there's a lot of numbers, but I'm going to go over with you 6 things that I found today at 2 different stores, and I'm going to go over with you what I paid for them, what their retail is going to be on Amazon, and also my profit. So if this is the kind of stuff that you like, make sure to like and comment and subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be bringing out more content more often and more often. So without further ado, let's get into the very first item. And the first item is this Old Spice. This Old Spice Putty right here. I got this at Ollie's. Ollie's is, I believe, mostly on the East Coast. It's a discount store. And you can see I paid $1.99 for that, and I picked up 2. There were 3 varieties of this. The other 2 were not good sellers. There was very, very little profit. But these 2 had the better profit. Now, these on Amazon are going for $16.99. My cost for each one is $3.99. So profit on one after eBay fee or after Amazon fees is going to be $8.91. Let's see, what do we got here? What's next? Blue Diamond almonds. This I also picked up at Ollie's. This retails on this retails on Amazon for $10.07. You can see I paid $3.99. I picked up, I've got 18 of those over there that I picked up. Profit on each one is going to be $2.16. So I'm happy with that. With that product, that's why I got a bunch of them, and also the rank was very good. But one thing that you want to definitely look at when you are, here it is, when you're looking at grocery items or anything like that, is you want to look at expiration dates. You want to make sure that you are a minimum of 120 days out. Amazon prefers 90 days, but by the time that I list this, by the time it ships to Amazon, by the time it gets checked in, it could take 2 weeks or so for that to happen. So always allow yourself plenty of time. My rule of thumb is it's got to be at least 120 days out. And a good trick to do while you're out sourcing, when you're on your phone, go to Google and type in 120 days from now, and it'll tell you the exact date of what that is. So the Blue Diamond peanuts are good here, these nuts. So what is next here? Oh, the Maxwell House coffee. The Maxwell House coffee right here. This is, I got 24 of these cans. These retail for $9.75 each. I picked these up at Ollie's also. My cost for each one was $1.99. There it is. And again, you want to look at the expiration date. This one, it happens to be on the bottom. So profit on the Maxwell House is $1.48, and I got 24 of them. So, this right here, Alexar multi-card 25-in-1. What is that? Card reader. USB card reader. This I picked up at Staples. This on Amazon is going for $69.99. There's the barcode. If you can find these. This was on the clearance rack. My cost for this was $25, and my profit is going to be $35.63. So when you go to Staples, check the clearance rack. I went to Staples to buy packing peanuts because I am creating some beauty cosmetic mystery boxes to sell on eBay, and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna scan the clearance section, see what I can find. and I found this, and I found some other items here. The next one, iPad Pro 11-inch. This is the Slim Pro. This was also on the clearance rack at Staples. Actually on Amazon, it's going for $99. The rank on this is 32. The rank on the USB card reader is 322. So this is a 32 rank in PC. Got it at Staples. It's going on Amazon for $99. My cost was $30 for this. So profit is going to be, after fees, is going to be $49. This was a score. This was the last thing that I got. This is the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 3rd generation. I got 2 of these also at Staples. These were on the clearance rack as well. They were actually on the clearance rack for $25, and when I got to the register, they scanned up at $18. Both of them scanned at $18. So my profit on just one of these is $34. So I mean, on Amazon it's going for $69. My cost $18, so profit $34. Multiply that by 2, so $68 profit on these. But you know what? I'm probably going to keep one, because they were only $18, and I'm out here in my garage / warehouse. My computer is upstairs in my office, so this is actually the perfect thing for me to use while I am I'm down here. So that's the haul that I got. Now let's go over the final numbers. I've got everything right here. So everything retail, there's some bugs. Everything retail, when it sells on Amazon for all those Amazon prices that I gave you, comes to $756 in retail sales. We're going to minus my cost of $261. We're going to minus another $25 because I had an Ollie's 15% off coupon. I shop at Ollie's for Amazon a lot, and they email me coupons. They also send me coupons in the mail. I happen to have a coupon that they emailed me for 15% off my entire purchase, so that saved me $25. Then we're going to subtract Amazon fees, which is $124. So when all's said and done with these 6 items that I got, and I got multiples of a bunch of them, I got the multiples, we're looking at a profit of $594, which is phenomenal. It's awesome. So how much time did I spend doing this for that $594? I spent about 1 hour at Ollie's. I spent about 20 minutes at Staples, because I just went into Staples to get the packing peanuts, and I decided to look at their clearance aisle rack, and I found the iPads. So 20 minutes in there. It's going to take me roughly, another hour, a little bit over an hour to list, pack, prep, and ship these items. So we're going to say roughly it's going to take me about 2.5 hours total for this. That comes out to $237 per hour that I made doing this small 6-item haul. Now, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Now, while I'm outsourcing and I find items like this, or what I found at Ollie's or Staples, I'm actually posting what I'm purchasing in the Residual Hustler Facebook group. In the Facebook group, I take screenshots of my phone and I post, this is the screenshot of the Amazon seller app where it shows what it's selling for on Amazon. I take a second screenshot showing the breakdown to get to the profit, and I take a picture of the item pretty much up on the shelf, and I post those 3 screenshots in our Residual Hustler BOLO Facebook group, and I say, I'm at Ollie's, and I found this. Be sure to check your local Ollie's, see if you can find it. I'm at Staples right now. I found this. I do this live. As I'm sourcing, I actually post in the group as I'm sourcing what I'm finding. So the members in the group, they go in there and they see, okay, Tom's at Ollie's, Tom's at Staples, Tom's at Walmart. Right now he's buying this, this, this. Maybe after work today, I'm going to go to Ollie's and see if I can find that also. Maybe I'm going to go to Staples and check their clearance rack on the way home from work and see if I can find those same things. Also, every Monday, I post a leads list of minimum 100 items, 100 leads. These are leads that you can, when you click on the links within the leads list that I post every Monday morning, you can either purchase the item online or you can go into the store and buy the item. And an example of that is, say I find a toy that's selling at Target for $10 and on Amazon it's selling for $25. It's an Excel spreadsheet. I say, okay, here is this toy here. It's at Target. It's selling for this much. You can sell it on Amazon for this much. Here's your return on investment, ROI. Here's your cost. Here's your breakdown. Here's your profit. And all you have to do is either go on like the Target.com or go to Target and buy the product and ship it into Amazon. So every Monday morning, I create that leads list. And it's a minimum 100 leads every Monday morning, plus what I post during the week when I'm out sourcing, whether I find something online or while I'm out in a store. So minimum 400 leads a month is what I am posting in the group. So if you want more information about that, you can just go to residualhustlerbologroup.com. You can also go to residualhustler.com. Now, some of these items, like the coffee that I showed you and the peanuts, they are considered to be in the grocery category. New sellers will not be able to sell in the grocery category. So when you go to the website, residualhustler.com, also, you'll find that I have ungating guides, and those ungating guides walk you step by step on how to get ungated in the grocery category. Another one is topicals, which is like suntan lotions and creams and, makeup, and also the toy category. So you can get ungated to sell products like, the Hasbro and Star Wars and Lego and things like that. So all that information is on the website, residualhustler.com. So if you got any value from this video, if this helped you at all, even a little bit away, give me a thumbs up. Let me know. Show the love. You know that a like helps the YouTube algorithm and helps to push this video out to others or show others as well. I'm not a guru when it comes to this stuff. I'm just a guy who's been selling on Amazon since 2015. Hobbyish, but I've learned a lot along the way. And in 2021, I started taking it a whole lot more serious. And last month, I had my first $10,000 a month. $7,000 of that was actually in grocery. So, and about this year, I started teaching this to others because I've had so many people reach out to me. So if you're interested in learning more, just visit the website, residualhustler.com. All the information is there. And again, be sure to leave a comment below. If there's something that you want to see, let me know. And I can see what I can do about making that happen. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Would appreciate it very much. And I will see you on the next Residual Hustler Amazon video. Have a good day, guys.